This beach has 2 waterfalls, rolling stone surf, and some of the best agate gravel on the coast.
Walk you over to the falls. That's pretty cool. So if you have weak ankles, this is not the beach for you. These rocks are here all the time, just like Cape Meares, but the rocks were kind of buried in sand when we were there. This definitely always has the rocks. So here you're gonna have to cross the creek. In the winter, it's obviously flowing more than in the summer. So waterproof shoes or boots. Okay, just have to go for it. I did it. Definitely check the tides when you come here. And like we talked about on every beach, how high does the water go? The water goes as high as the walks. This is the spot for agates. Now, I do have a touch of the tism, but I don't have the touch that lets me spot agates very well. So I'm pretty bad at it. A lot of these here on the Oregon coast. These rocks with the holes, hagstones I guess they're called. There's that sound of the rocks turning that I like. Agate hunting, this is what you're really looking for, is a mix between the sand and the small gravel and smaller rocks. This is the prime spot, like right up here, where these people are, where the gravel and the sand are together. I mean, you can find them here. Easier to find here. Primo spot right here. See the gravel and the sand together here. You mind sharing some of your gems? Oh yeah! Look at that. That's what you come here for.
Some of this.
Oh yeah, very nice. Sweet. Thank you.
Yes, of course. Thank you.
All right, thanks. Clear agate. He killed it. It's pretty good. Okay, here's the natural waterfall. Obviously a good place at the base of the waterfall. Another waterfall out here. Just a little trickle in the ocean. But I don't know, waterfalls into the ocean. It's kind of cool. It's like this is the end. Or the beginning, depends on your outlook in life. what I see. All within a foot of each other, a couple feet of each other. I'm like, where does this water come from? And then I walk back here. And there's the teeniest little waterfall right here. Little watershed here. Adorable. So yeah, it's cleared up a little bit from when we came down. Marine layer way out there. Kind of like a summer day weather-wise. I mean, it's like 60 in town. But typically in the summer, the fog will push off like that. And then around sunset, it rolls back in. All right, up and back to the car we go.